Welcome to another useful video from techxLK YouTube channel. So this interesting video is about most useful keyboard shortcuts. Let's start. First of all, I'd like to remind you to subscribe and hit the bell icon to watch these kinds of videos regularly. Number 1. Emoji tab. It is very important to having emojis when typing and chatting, but in some apps they don't give emojis. In Windows 10 there is a built-in emoji tab, and you can get this emoji tab by pressing startup key with semicolon. There are many emojis like in your smartphone keyboard. Number 2. Virtual desktops. By pressing Start key, Ctrl and D together, you can create a new virtual desktop. By using this feature, you can open different apps in different virtual desktops and switch between them and make your work easy. By pressing Start key, Ctrl and left or right arrow keys together, you can switch between virtual desktops. Number 3. Windows Game Bar. By pressing Start key with G, you can get this Windows Game Bar. By using these tools, you can screen record, screenshot, and do many different things. Number 4. Switch between windows. So if you want to switch between windows or tabs quickly, you have to press tabs plus alt together. By using this shortcut, you can switch between windows or apps quickly without using your mouse. Number 5. Open any app with using a keyboard shortcut. So first, right click on that app and go to Properties. So here you have to enter any key you like. So I press T and click on Apply, then OK. And now you can open this app by using Ctrl, Alt and the key that you selected. Like this, you can do this for any app. I think this video is useful for you. Please comment below about that. Leave a like, share with friends, and remember to subscribe for more videos like this.